Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you DIY keratin at home for frizz-free shiny hair naturally from first wash, from first use. You will get rid of any kind of frizz hair and you will get shiny straight hair naturally. This hair straightening doesn't cause any kind of harsh to your hair because it doesn't contain any chemicals and it's all natural and it's easy to prepare at home. The first ingredient we will need is 1 teaspoon of corn starch or corn flour. Then we need to add on it around 20 ml of rose water. Like that. Now we need to place it into a pan and mix for 5 minutes on the stove, on a medium heat on the stove, until it gets thick in consistency. Like so, my friends. As you can tell, we get thick paste. Now place it into a clean mixing bowl like so. Now we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, يعني كناريا الكتل. And mix well all the ingredients. Now apply it on your hair after it cools down, and you're going to find your hair straight with applying it on your hair, and comb your hair and leave it straight for 15 minutes until it dries out, and then rinse it with water without shampoo or anything. This is to use on a clean hair, and leave it 15 minutes, then rinse it with warm water. And my friends, the result will amaze you. From first wash you will get straight hair. This is hair straightening naturally without any chemical or side effects. It's going to work for you and will get you the best results ever. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.